Has Donald Trump convinced Americans that Operation Epic Fury is a good idea? Polling data from CNN shows low approval rating among Americans for this operation in Iran, and it follows inconsistent messaging from the Trump administration about why this started, how long it's going to go on for, and what the end game is here. However, most congressional Republicans say they are convinced that Donald Trump should continue with this operation, and some say he should just finish the job. Congress effectively gave Donald Trump the green light to proceed with this operation, despite Democrats saying that President Trump didn't even have the authority to launch this operation in the first place. One issue to watch here is how Americans are going to react to rising gas prices as a result of this conflict. Now, Donald Trump said if gas prices rise, they rise. However, the Trump administration is aware that these rising prices could lead to Americans further souring on the economy. It said it would allow India to temporarily buy Russian oil to keep the global oil market flowing. That's because transit through one of the most important shipping lanes has been deeply affected because of this conflict. It's just too dangerous for ships to pass through the Strait of Hormuz at the moment. And US President Donald Trump even floated the idea of the US Navy escorting ships through the area. So, if this conflict continues, watch some of those members of Congress. It's an election year in the United States this year, and all members of the House of Representatives are up for re election, and some senators too. The economy and inflation are still huge concerns. So, lawmakers might start feeling the heat, but for now, Donald Trump is trying to convince Americans that national security is more important than deep economic pain.